You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV. My name's Paul. I'm the host of the show. Shout out to the producer of the show, C-Rock, behind the lens. And today we got a brand new episode for you guys. I don't want to waste any time. I want to jump right into it. Today we got the Rhude Puma Alterations in hand. This shoe's crazy. I love it. I'm going to let you guys know why I love them in just a minute. It's the Rhude Puma Alterations, Shoot Your Shot TV, Shoot Your Shot Records. Let's get it. Today we're reviewing a collaboration between Rhude and Puma. For those of you who don't know, Rhude is a lifestyle brand based out of LA, and their founder Rhude, who's also in LA, he's originally from the Philippines. So shout out to all the Filipinos doing their thing. I'm part Filipino, and I just like to see Filipinos win and make a big impact in different cultural aspects, especially in the fashion industry. So shout out to Rhude, man. His first Puma collaboration was the Puma Cells, which dropped earlier this year. But with this collaboration, he didn't just stop at shoes. He did t-shirts, zip-up track jackets, and track pants as well, along with 3 other silhouettes of shoes, including another pair of Puma Cells. Personally, the pair I liked the most was the Rhude Puma Alteration, and once I saw that design, I was just like, yo, those are sick. And I was able to pick them up on End Clothing last week. They arrived. I have them in hand, ready to review for you guys. I'm super excited. I really love the silhouette. It's very obscure, very different, very unique. Let's go ahead and take a look at the shoes. Here they are, the Rhude Puma Alterations. This shoe is crazy. I really like the colorway. I like this emerald green and this nice light silver. The shoe has this very soft neoprene upper right here on the toe box and on the side paneling of the shoe. You have this very soft suede going around the lacing system and right here on the front of the mud guard. And you got this stacked midsole. It's crazy. It's a lot going on. Very different, very obscure, very unique. But yeah, not too much going on. Very subtle, very low key. You have this removable flap that kind of makes the shoe look like a moccasin when you leave it on. I'm for sure leaving that on. And it detaches if you want. You could take it off. You could reveal the Puma logo right here on the back. And then when you put it on, it says Rhude right here on the heel. I think this is a nice touch. It really brings a different look to the shoe. I've seen other Puma Alterations before, and they're cool, but this right here just took it to the next level. They really thought this one out. They just put their twist on it. So shout out to Rhude, shout out to Rhude. This shoe's dope. It caught me at first glance. I was like, yo, those are sick. I gotta have them. Yeah, let's go ahead and just get that new shoe smell one time. Smells good. Let's go ahead and try these on. That was our signature on-foot look, and they look crazy. They go crazy. They're different. And I'm definitely gonna pair these with some shorts in the summertime. If you're unfamiliar with our rating system that we introduced recently, it's where we take the shoe and break it down into 3 important categories: comfort, style, and price. And we're gonna just jump right into our Shoot Your Shot rating system. You can check it out right here. Let's go ahead with comfort. So as far as comfort goes, these are very comfortable. You can definitely feel the bounce. You can feel the stability thanks to this chunky midsole, this stacked midsole. It's very layered, very comfortable, very durable. The shoe's not too narrow, not too wide. Has a perfect fit to it, very plush with this nice neoprene upper, very soft on the foot, very soft around the collar of the ankle. A very comfortable shoe. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 5 out of 5. As far as style, I'm gonna give these a 5 out of 5 because it's different, it's unique, it's dope. It's like you're not gonna see a lot of people wearing these. These are definitely gonna turn heads, but they're not too loud at the same time. It's very subtle, very new, something different that people aren't used to. So that's right up my alley. I love trying new things, and I'm gonna go ahead and give these a 5 out of 5 for style. Price point, these were $140 retail, and I think they're like $160 ship. Like I said previously, if you watched our other Rhude review, Rhude shoes, when they just go by themselves without it being a collaboration, they go anywhere from $400 to $700, and then they even go for more on the resale market. These right here, you can get them for a fraction of the price at $140. You're still getting a little bit of hype, a little bit of clout, being that it is a collaboration with Rhude. And then one thing I forgot to show you guys on the breakdown of like the shoes and the materials, you got that nice little embossed suede tongue that says Rhude Puma Goes with the trucker hat. That's gonna go ahead and give this shoe a 15 out of 15 on the Shoot Your Shot rating system. Boom, 15 out of 15, it's lit. Yeah, I definitely recommend that you pick up a pair. I know a lot of people are hyped up on the Rhude Vans that are coming out as well. I like those too, but I feel like he was really able to try different things and step out of the box with the Puma collaboration, opposed to the Vans collaboration. If you weren't able to get the Vans and you're a fan of the Rhude brand, then you should definitely pick you up either a pair of the Puma Palace Guards, the Puma Cells, or the Rhude Puma Alterations. I really like this shoe. Pick them up, they're gonna be going fast. I think I already saw them on resale on Grailed for like $350. Yeah, man, that's our episode for today. Just want to say thank you guys for rocking with us. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, drop a comment. Let us know how you feel about Rhude Pumas in the comments below. And also shout out to our affiliates, Good Rad Ugly and the Game Ball Podcast. Make sure you click the links below, check out their pod. Shout out Sebastian over at Dream On. Shout out all the homies, man. And I'm about to wear these tomorrow to the barbecue, man, with some shorts. So yeah. Shoot Your Shot TV, Shoot Your Shot Records, Rhude Puma Alterations. We can catch you on the next one, guys. Like.